Regarding the replacement of SH-G6920 limit assembly, move away the limit switch. Remove the screws used to secure the handle bracket. Remove the handle bracket. Remove the screws and core shaft used to secure the limiting handle. Insert a screw into one side of the mandrel. Then tap the screw with a tool to remove the mandrel. Remove the limit handle. Replace the new limit switch handle. Reinsert the spindle. After aligning the core shaft with the hole position, strike it with a tool until fully inserted. Then tighten the screws. Repart back the handle bracket. Install the screws used to fix the handle bracket. First, use your hands to turn the screw in partially, then use a tool to tighten it.